Wow, Kobe. What's that? What is that? Ooh, what's this? Say bike. So, can you tell us what we have here, Liam?
It's my brother's bike. Ooh, 3-in-1.
What is it? It's a 3-in-1 stroll and trike. You ready to open it, Kobe?
Oh.
No. Get down, baby. Alright, Kobe, move. Let's open it. Safety. You can't hold this, only Dad. Come on, Liam. Put on this on the side. Just like that. Okay, move. Move it. Move it. Owie. Owie. Let's see. We gotta open it somewhere. This is an unboxing of Kobe's bike.
His first time biking.
Okay, let's see. Right here. Okay, move, Kobe. Move, 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 move.
I
Move.
want to open it.
Let's see. Not yet. Okay, let's open it. You guys open it together. Help him out. Oh, what is that? I need this. Ooh.
Tesla? Hey, Dad, look at this.
What is that?
It's a Tesla thing.
Oh, they do have a Tesla, Bev. Look at this. Wow. Let's keep that. Okay, help him out, Liam. He can't pull it out. Remember what I told you? Put them all separated and then we'll put them all together. What else? What else is in there? Ooh, what is that, Kobe? It's a wheel. Can you say wheel? Give me that one. What's that one? What else, Kobe? Anything else? No more. Wow. Hey, look, Liam. They have a go-kart as well. Yep.
Oh, heck yes.
So here's the instruction and all the parts.
Can I remove this, Dad?
We're gonna need a hammer, a screwdriver, and what else? Allen wrench. That's cool. I think we should glue it. Here it is. Let me do it, baby, because it's heavy. Can Dad do it? Say okay. So let's go ahead and assemble it. So after 30 minutes of building this bike, this is what it looks like. It has a little storage to put his snacks or toys, as well as this little handle where you can control where the bike goes.